Welcome to Know How. Did you know that babies are born with approximately 270 bones? That's quite a lot. However, as they grow, some of these bones fuse together, resulting in an average adult total of just 206 bones. This fusion is essential for strength and stability. For instance, the skull bones, which start off separate, come together to protect the brain as we develop. The spine is another fascinating example. It consists of 33 vertebrae at birth, but by adulthood, it typically has only 24. This transformation is a remarkable part of our growth, showcasing how our bodies adapt and change. So next time you think about bones, remember that your body is a dynamic structure, constantly evolving from infancy to adulthood.